Introduction to DeepSeek Chat AI. What if I told you there's a completely free AI tool that's more powerful than ChatGPT? And you can use it to start making $1,000 a day. Imagine waking up every morning, knowing that your financial future is secure, and all you had to do was harness the power of this incredible technology. This tool is not just a game changer, it's a life changer. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is this tool, and how can it be so powerful? Well, let me introduce you to the world of advanced AI, where possibilities are endless and opportunities are just waiting to be seized. This AI tool is designed to understand and predict market trends, automate mundane tasks, and even create content that can captivate audiences. Picture yourself using this tool to analyze stock markets, predict the next big investment, or even automate your online business. The potential is limitless. You don't need to be a tech genius to use it. It's user-friendly and accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this tool can be your secret weapon to financial success. But how does it work, you ask? It's simple. The AI uses complex algorithms and machine learning to process vast amounts of data in real time. It learns from this data, constantly improving its predictions and recommendations. This means you get the most accurate and up-to-date information, allowing you to make informed decisions that can lead to substantial profits. And the best part? It's completely free. Yes, you heard that right. You don't have to spend a dime to access this powerful tool. All you need is a computer and an internet connection, and you're ready to start your journey towards financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Unlock the potential of this amazing AI tool and start making money today. Your future self will thank you. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to turn DeepSeek Chat AI into your personal money-making machine, even if you have zero experience. Stick with me till the end because I'll walk you through real examples, strategies, and how to build an AI-powered income stream today. Alright, let's dive into the Smart Hustle Hub and explore DeepSeek Chat. Hey, what's up hustlers? Welcome back to Smart Hustle Hub, where we teach you how to hustle smarter, not harder. Today's topic, how to make $1,000 a day using DeepSeek Chat AI, 100% free and crazy powerful. Let's dive into 6 strategies to make money with DeepSeek. Each one can help you get closer to that $1,000 a day goal. Strategy 1. Freelancing with DeepSeek. Fastest way to start making money with no upfront costs. Step 1. Pick a freelance niche. Examples: blog writing, email copy, resumes, SEO, product descriptions. Step 2. Use DeepSeek to do the work. Prompt it to write full articles, emails, or social media content. Example prompt: write a 1,000-word SEO blog about the best side hustles in 2025. Step 3. Sell your services. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Reddit job boards. Do 3 to 4 $50 projects per day, and you could be making $150 to $200 a day. Upsell with add-ons like SEO, formatting, image sourcing, and social captions. Strategy 2. Sell AI-generated digital products. With a one-time effort, you can enjoy lifetime sales. Use DeepSeek to create ebooks, templates, journals, checklists, and how-to guides. Example: write a 25-page guide to starting a dropshipping business in 2025. Design it with Canva. Export as a PDF. Upload to Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Pricing: mini guides $7, templates $17, bundles $47 and up. Sell 10 products at $47 per day, and you get $470 a day. But let's dive deeper into the potential of digital products. Imagine you have a variety of digital products, each catering to different niches and audiences. By diversifying your offerings, you can tap into multiple streams of income. For instance, you could sell an ebook on personal development, an online course on digital marketing, and a subscription service for exclusive content. Each of these products can attract a different segment of your audience, increasing your overall revenue. Now, let's break it down further. If you sell 10 ebooks at $47 each, that's $470. Add to that 10 online courses at $97 each, and you have $970. Then consider a subscription service where you charge $20 per month. If you get 50 subscribers, that's an additional $1,000 per month. By stacking these different products, you can see how quickly your earnings can multiply. And you can scale to $1,000 a day. The beauty of digital products is that they often require a one-time effort to create, but can be sold repeatedly without additional costs. This scalability is what makes digital products so attractive. You can reach a global audience, automate your sales process, and focus on creating more value for your customers. With the right strategy, the earning potential from digital products is virtually limitless. Strategy 3. Content creation with DeepSeek. Use it to power YouTube, TikTok, blogs, or newsletters. Prompt it to write YouTube scripts, TikTok captions, blog posts, and newsletter content. Example: write a 30-second TikTok script about passive income from digital products. Post daily and use affiliate links, product links, or AdSense to create a monetized content machine. Bonus tip: ask DeepSeek to create a full content calendar for the month. Strategy 4. Build a micro AI agency, offer done-for-you AI-powered content. Services to offer: website copy, weekly blogs, emails, LinkedIn posts, and product descriptions. Use DeepSeek to fulfill client work 10 times faster. Pitch example: we automate content using AI so you save time and grow your business. Start with 2 to 3 clients paying $500 to $1,000 per month. That's $1,000 to $3,000 per month recurring. Strategy 5. Sell AI courses or ebooks. Teach others using DeepSeek-generated content. Prompt: create a 5-module course on how to start a digital product business. Add slides, examples, and tasks. Use Google Slides, Notion, or Canva. Host it on Gumroad, Teachable, or Podia. Sell for $97 or more. Sell 11 courses per day, which equals $1,067 a day. Fully automated delivery. Strategy 6. Automate niche services with DeepSeek. Build a small, scalable business around AI. Ideas: resume writing, AI newsletters, LinkedIn profile revamps, and lead magnet creation. Let's do a full example. Example: business AI content packs for coaches. Step 1. Use DeepSeek to generate 30 Instagram posts for mindset coaches. Step 2. Design in Canva. Step 3. Add bonus prompts. Step 4. Sell on Gumroad or Etsy. Sell for $37. 30 sales equal $1,110. Rinse and repeat for other niches. Now let's talk about traffic and getting buyers. Tactics: short-form video like TikTok and Reels, Facebook groups, Reddit threads, free lead magnets, and cold DMs with value. Example prompt: write a DM offering a free blog sample to a health coach, written using AI. Let's break down your $1,000 per day plan. Imagine making $1,000 a day. It might sound like a dream, but with the right strategy, it's entirely possible. Let's break it down. $200 from freelancing. This could be from writing articles, designing graphics, or even coding websites. The key is to find a niche you're good at and market your skills effectively. Next, $300 from digital product sales. This could be anything from selling stock photos, digital art, or even software tools. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them repeatedly. Another $300 from course or ebook sales. If you have expertise in a particular area, why not share it? Create a comprehensive course or write an ebook. Platforms like Udemy or Amazon Kindle make it easy to reach a global audience. And finally, $200 from client retainers. This is where you offer ongoing services to clients, ensuring a steady stream of income. It could be monthly social media management, regular content creation, or even consulting services. Diversifying your income streams not only helps you reach that $1,000 day goal, but also provides financial stability. Remember, consistency and quality are crucial. Keep refining your skills, stay updated with market trends, and always deliver value to your clients and customers. With dedication and the right approach, you can turn this plan into a reality. So start today, set your goals, and work towards achieving that $1,000 a day. Stack these over time, keep what works, automate everything you can with DeepSeek. This isn't just theory, this is a blueprint you can follow today. If you got value from this, hit that like button, subscribe to Smart Hustle Hub, and comment, "I'm building with AI." And remember, hustle smarter, not harder. See you in